Hi, welcome to Yard GrowingSA, and today's video is from sowing to germination baby spinach. Let's get into it. Day 2, nothing else yet germinated, but as you saw with the others, that was the same, but the one from the paper towel has sprouted some roots. Let's check the spinach has done the same. Nothing yet has sprouted from the spinach. Okay, so it's day 3, spinach, still nothing yet. Let's check the paper towel. Nothing yet, but there's one over here. We got one over here. Okay, so it's day 4, spinach, nothing germinated out of the soil yet. Let's check the paper towel, because we did know there was a sprout coming out. Let's see how far did that go. Okay, Daisy still kinda a small little bigger than yesterday, but okay, let's keep on trying with the spinach. Day 5 spinach, I don't see, wait, okay, so I see the spinach might come out slowly. Okay, there's something. So that will be probably fully out tomorrow. We'll check up on that. Let's see what is going on the paper towel. Okay, so on the paper towel it's still just that one, but it's getting a bit longer. Day 6. And let's check the paper towel. Okay, so another one joined him on day 6. So it's day 7. You can see the one has came completely out and the other one is frozen. Let's check the paper towel. Okay, so 2 has germinated and sprouted. So I think we should grow this rather into soil because it is much better.